속에서 더 이야기를 잃었다.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Najmila Jalasani. I am from 4A class, Department of English Education of Syarif Hidayatullah Islamic State University, Jakarta. And this time, I would like to tell you about a story from a novel that I have read. Yes, this novel with a title, Bloodline from Sidney Sheldon. So, let's begin the story. The story opens with the sudden and spacious death of Sam Rovi, the head of Rovi and Son Company, a multinational pharmaceutical empire. His death appears to be an accident, but it soon becomes evident that foul play might be involved. Sam's only daughter, Elizabeth Roth, is thrust into the position of running the company, which is she become a leader of the company, a role for which she is initially unprepared. She never heard the company and she became the company boss. The company starts with Elizabeth's grandfather, Samuel Rofi. Samuel Rofi was born in Jewish ghetto, which was systematically and strictly controlled by officials. The ghetto gate was opened after sunrise and locked before sunset. Anyone caught outside the gate after sunset was captured and tortured and sent to the prison camps. In the midst of this chaos, along with the trauma of his mother's death, Samuel Rofi inspired to become a doctor. He wandered around the Wall House, the house of rich Jewish doctor, and falling in love for his daughter, for Wall daughter. So, Wall accepts to teach him about the medicine and Samuel learns a lot about the medicine. And but later, Wall's daughter married is fixed, which she rejected as she believed that she falling in love with Samuel too. And the Wall gives Samuel 6 months to prove himself to be worthy of his daughter's hand, and he managed to do that by making a vaccine. Yes, finally Samuel success marry with Wall's daughter. The bloodline goes on, and Samuel make a company. To reach the present situation, with Rofi and Son with a second largest company in the world, and Samuel had a son named Shane, who had a daughter named Elizabeth, which is the main character. Elizabeth is sent to a Swiss boarding school for school and later expected to host parties like her mother. She does not get involved in the family business because initially his father expected to a son to continue his company. Until she received the news that her father died in the hiking accident at first. But Elizabeth took over is met a resistance from the board of directors, particularly from family members who each hold significant shares in the company. And Rofi and Sons is a family firm and international empires filled with despair. Cash-hungry family members, the family consists of Anna Rofi, whose husband, Walter Gesher, married her only because of her bloodline, and the second one, Simonetta, the wife of Iva Palazzi, a womanizer being blackmailed by his mistress, Donatella. And the third one, Helena Rofi, the 3 times divorced who married Charles Martel. Martel invests in a vineyard by stealing his wife's jewelry, but the money drowns. And the last one is Alec Nichols, whose mother was a Rofi, was gambling addicted, and spendthrift wife Vivian pushed him to increasing debt. So all family is really have a rat's background. It is clear that everyone in the family is need money. Of course, they need money. The firm Rofi and Son is managed by Sam Rofi and his assistant, Rhys Williams. Sam Rofi was expecting a son at first, but instead she got a daughter, yes, Elizabeth. Elizabeth was declined love from her father during childhood. So sad. But escaped the reality by reading about her great-great-great-grandfather, yes, Samuel Rofi. Elizabeth really loved Samuel Rofi because She heard about a story of Murphy and she loved him so much. All the money-hungry family members asked her to sell the stock and make the company public. But Elizabeth refused to, sensing that her father was against making the company public. She later discovered with a confidential report that someone is sabotaging the company. She narrowly escaped death twice, once in the car accident and another one in lift accident. In the last accident, her secretary was died. So sad. So while searching from a culprit for a witness, she fall in love for Rhys William, and Elizabeth discovered the company is on the brink of financial collapse due to embezzlement and mismanagement. Determined to save the family business, she enlists the help of Rich Williams, a trusted and experienced executive within the company. Together, they navigated the treacherous waters of corporate politics and family betrayal. As Elizabeth delves deeper into the company affairs, she uncovers shocking secrets about her family history and the dark deeds of have been kept hidden for years about her family. She also faced several attempts of her life, conferring her suspicious that someone close to her is willing to kill to gain control of the company. And Rhys and Elizabeth later get married because they're falling in love, and Elizabeth could not handle the company on her own, so she decided to marry with Rhys, and she insisted on marrying Rhys William, who would become the president of the company. And with Rhys Williams handling the company, Elizabeth investigates on who sabotaging the company by herself. And then in Zurich Criminal Police, Detective Mach Harnong is assigned with the investigation of the lift accident targeted on Elizabeth. So he find out about what the accident happened and who targeted on Elizabeth. After further investigation, Max suspect on one of Elizabeth's family members to be a culprit. It's so sad. Meanwhile, Elizabeth comes to a conclusion that Rhys William is the murderer of her father based on research she does herself. She finds out and she carrying out about the story, about the background about the family, and she find out that Rhys William is murderer of her father, but we don't know it is true or not. And to be safe, Elizabeth flies to her villa in Sardinia, where she is kept escorted by a police chief. And later when she already got there, she suddenly just wake up and to find out that she was drugged and the power supplies has been cut off in the house. Amazed in the darkness, she heard a footstep of her killer approaching, and she runs toward a tower and climbs into it. And after a dramatic climax, Elizabeth finds out her killer was not one of her family member. Who's the family member? Yes, he is Alec, who wants to kill Elizabeth by pointing a gun to her. He wants to kill Elizabeth because the money. But Detective Hallmark and Rhys William just in the time come to the villa and save Elizabeth. Finally, Elizabeth have been saved by them and not die. And what happened to Eric? What happened to Alec? Alec perished in the fire by himself. That he sat on the villa for killing Elizabeth. After that, Elizabeth find out about how to manage her company and live better for herself, and she finally learned a lot about what has been go on later on. And it's kind of interesting story because I thought on the first when I see the cover, I think it's tell about a love, but immediately it's not just about the love. It's really, really about a complicated, a murderer, and Yes, all of the stuff lah. I think enough from me. I'm sorry if I have any mistake about the pronunciation. Sorry. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
구석구석 미뤄 하지만 난 난 정했어